Hello students, today we will discuss chapter number 5 lines and angles, and in this chapter we will see the pairs of lines. Okay, so the first point, intersecting lines. What is meant by intersecting lines? Two lines are said to be intersecting if they have point in common. Okay, two lines are said to be intersecting if they have point in common. Suppose these are the line AB and line CD. Okay, and they have the point in common. This one is the O point. This point O is known as the point of intersection. See in this figure also, this point O is known as the point of intersection. Understood? These are known as the intersecting lines. Again I am repeating, two lines are said to be intersecting if they have point in common. The common point is called their point of intersection. They have one common point, and this one common point is known as point of intersection. Now the next point is transversal. A line that intersects two or more lines in a given plane at distinct points. Distinct means what? Two separate points is called a transversal. Okay, in this figure see, there are two lines, these lines L and M, and this L and M line, these are the parallel lines, and a line that intersect this N line that intersect two or that N line intersect that L and M lines. Okay, this parallel lines in two distinct points. Suppose this is O and this is P. Intersect at distinct points, means separate points. It is known as transversal. So the N is what? N is transversal. Understood? See in this second figure, the lines are not parallel here, and here we can't decide the transversal because see, there are no two distinct points. Suppose the L is transversal, suppose it is not transversal, but it is not intersecting these two lines at two distinct points, so this is not transversal. Understood? So in the figure 1, only N is the transversal, and this L and M lines are parallel lines, and this N line intersect these two lines at O and P, these distinct points. It is known as transversal. Understood? Now the next point, angles made by a transversal with two lines. Okay, so I have drawn one figure here, L and M lines. There are two lines, and these lines are parallel. Okay, these lines are parallel, and this T line intersecting this L and M line. Okay, this T line intersecting L and M line. So this is known as transversal. T line is known as transversal. This line intersecting L and M line with intersecting L and M line with distinct points. Okay, so the angles made by this transversal, the angle 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this side, below, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 angles made by this transversal. So we will see which angles are they. First is interior angles. So which one is the interior angles? Okay, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. They are the interior angles. Why they are interior? Because these angles 3, 4, 5, 6, these angles lying in between L and M. Okay, these angles lying in between these lines L and M. So it is known as interior angles. Angle 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? And next one is the exterior angles. So which one in this exterior angles? Angle 1, angle 2, this angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. These are the exterior angles. So why they are exterior angles? Because they are lying outside. They are lying outside of that L and M. So what is meant by interior? Interior means inside of line L and M, and exterior means outside of that line L and M. Understood? So angle 1, angle 2, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. These are the exterior angles. Now the next point is pair of corresponding angles. Okay, so what is meant by corresponding angles? The angles which are on the same side of the transversal. So this angle which one? Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6. Okay, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 1 and angle 5. Okay, and which one is the corresponding angle? Angle 2, angle 6, angle 1, angle 5, and these are also corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 7, angle 3, angle 7, and angle 4 and angle 8. These are also angle 4 and angle 8. These are also the corresponding angles. So the corresponding pairs are like this. Okay, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. Okay, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. These are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, again I am explaining. These angles which are lying on the same side of the transversal, same side. Okay, एक ही side पे 2, 6. These are on the same side of the transversal. 1, 5. These are also on the same side of the transversal. Okay. Now the next is what? Pair of alternate interior angles. Okay. We have seen the interior angles means what? The angles lying between the line and L and M. Okay. Inside of that L and M. Exterior means what? Outside of that L and M. And now the next term is what? Pair of alternate interior angles. So which angles are alternate interior angles? Angle 3 and angle 5. Alternate means what? See here, like Z pattern. Okay, this angle 3 and angle 5, these are alternate. Okay, because see, angle 3 is lying on the other side and the angle 5 lying on the other side. So this is known as alternate interior angles. Interior angle, these are the interior angles, but these are the alternate interior angles. So angle 3 and angle 5, these are the alternate interior angles. Also you can write the angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6, these are the alternate interior angles. Okay, understood? Like Z pattern. Understood? Now the pair of alternate exterior angles. Exterior means what? Outside. So now can you tell me the alternate exterior angles? Can you think about that? Okay. Angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7. Okay. These are the alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7. These are the alternate exterior angles. Angle 1. See here, angle 1. And this one is angle 7. Okay, and also angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 8. These are the alternate exterior angles. Exterior means outside of that line L and M. This 2 angle and this 8 angle. These angles lying outside that lines L and M. Therefore they are the alternate exterior angles. Understood everyone? Thank you. Write these notes in your notebook.